quarters worth big money. In this video, I'm going to show you some quarters that are online right now that are either in the process of being sold or they're already sold. Now, one of the best ways to make a lot of money on your coins is to sell them online. Just make sure that you're taking clear photos of both the front and the back of the coin. If you're buying coins, that's a whole nother talking point, but please be careful before you buy any coins because you don't want to spend too much money. So these first three quarters that I'm showing you right now, they all look like rare air coins that are probably worth a lot of money. This person is the same person selling all three coins, and the sad reality is they're not actually worth a lot of money. Now, the crazy part to me is that there's already a lot of bids on these coins, and the current bid price is already way more than they're actually worth, anywhere from $2 to $10. If you brought these coins to a coin dealer or a coin expert, they would not pay any more than 25 cents for each coin. That is because they are damaged coins. They are not error coins whatsoever, and the way to tell is the fact that the damage is going inward to the coin and it's not sticking out of the coin. That might be the easiest way for me to describe it, but just imagine a sharp object hitting these coins. That's what's causing them to look this way. So if you have one of these three coins and it looks like this, do not waste much of your time because they're not worth that much money. Now, this coin right here sold for $2,500. Now, the person's saying, as you can see, the edge of the coin is completely shaved. Now, when most people see this, they may think that it's a rare error coin, but what actually happened here is someone took a tool and shaved it down. They're calling this coin a one-of-a-kind error coin, when the sad reality for this person is the coin is actually worth only 25 cents. So hopefully the person that bought this coin did not get scammed and ripped off. Hopefully it was a fake buy by the seller's friend or family member who bought the coin, trying to increase the value of it. Because if someone that doesn't know any better sees that this coin sold for this much money, they may be willing to spend more money on the coin because they would think that they could get some more money for the coin. That was a bit confusing, but for example, someone who doesn't know sees that this coin sold for $2,500. Next time they see a coin like this that's only selling for a few $100s, they buy it thinking they can sell it for $2,500 when in reality it's only worth 25 cents. Now, this coin, on the other hand, is a true, genuine error graded by PCGS, a mint state 63. That's another very strong point, is the fact that those coins previously were not graded. That's for a few reasons. One, the person that owns the coin either tried to submit it and the coin got rejected because it's altered, or they know better, so they didn't even bother sending it to get graded because they know that it would get rejected. If you're ever buying any coin, it's always the safest way if it's in a holder like PCGS or NGC, because it is guaranteed to be authentic and the grade to be accurate or your money back. So if you have a rare error coin that looks like this one, you're in for a nice little treat because this one sold for $1,860. My Coin and Currency Mastermind community class is now live. Click the link below for more information and I'll see you inside.